Welcome to our video on A/B testing, also known as split testing. A/B testing is a powerful method used to compare two versions of something, like a website, app, or marketing material, to see which one works better. By showing different versions to different users and measuring the results, you can make informed decisions based on real data instead of guessing. Whether you're a marketer, product manager, or business owner, understanding A/B testing is crucial for improving your digital presence and achieving your goals. Throughout this video, we will explore the foundations of A/B testing, how it works, real-world examples, and best practices to help you get started. A/B testing is a method of comparing two versions of a web page, app, or marketing asset to determine which one performs better. The process is straightforward. You create two versions, an original called the control or version A, and a modified version called the variant or version B. You then randomly split your traffic between these two versions, show them to different users, measure how users engage with each version, and finally analyze the results to find the winner. This scientific approach transforms decision-making from guesswork into data-driven insights. Instead of debating what might work, you gather actual evidence about what does work for your specific audience. Running a successful A/B test involves 6 key steps. First, set clear goals by identifying what metric you want to improve. This could be conversions, clicks, engagement, or any other important indicator. Second, formulate a hypothesis or prediction about how a specific change will impact user behavior. Third, create your variants by building version A as your control and version B with one specific change. Fourth, split and run your test by randomly dividing your traffic between the two versions and collecting data from real users. Fifth, analyze the results to check if the differences are statistically significant and not just due to chance. Finally, implement your findings and iterate by applying successful changes and continuing to test for further improvements. This systematic approach ensures your testing efforts lead to meaningful results. To interpret A/B test results correctly, you need to understand some statistical concepts. Hypothesis testing is the framework we use. We start with the null hypothesis, which assumes there is no real difference between the two versions and that any observed changes are just due to random chance. We then test the alternative hypothesis, which states that there is a real, meaningful difference between the versions. Several key metrics help us make this determination. Statistical significance refers to our confidence level that the results are not due to random variation. Usually we aim for 95% confidence. The p-value is the probability that our results occurred by chance alone, and we typically want this to be less than 0.05. Sample size is the minimum number of users we need in our test to reach reliable conclusions. And confidence level indicates how confident we are that the results will repeat if we run the test again. Understanding these concepts ensures your test conclusions are based on solid evidence rather than coincidence. Numerous A/B testing platforms are available to help you run experiments. Optimizely is a comprehensive platform offering a visual editor for easy setup, advanced targeting options, and flexible pricing starting at $17 per month. VWO testing is another popular choice that includes heat maps and session recordings in addition to A/B testing capabilities. ObTasty is specifically designed for marketers with a quick visual editor and no-code testing features. LaunchDarkly specializes in feature flagging and server-side testing, making it ideal for product teams and engineers who want to test at the backend level. Growthbook is an open-source platform, meaning it's free to use, and it includes feature flagging along with easy data integration. SiteSpect offers server-side middleware testing for advanced tracking and secure data collection. Each tool has different strengths, so your choice depends on your team's technical expertise, budget, and specific needs. Many of these tools offer free trials, so you can test them before committing. To run successful A/B tests, follow these proven best practices. First, test only one variable at a time. Changing multiple elements simultaneously makes it impossible to know which change actually impacted your results. Second, pay attention to sample size. Use power calculators to determine the minimum number of users you need for reliable results. Third, run your tests long enough, at least 1 to 2 weeks. Avoid stopping early even if initial results look positive, as early trends often don't hold up with more data. Fourth, set clear goals and metrics before starting your test so you're measuring what matters. Fifth, document everything including your hypothesis, the changes you made, your results, and the lessons learned. This documentation becomes valuable reference material for future tests. Sixth, check for bias by reviewing your data for seasonal effects, technical problems, or other confounding factors that might skew your results. Following these practices significantly increases the reliability and usefulness of your test results. Let's look at some real companies that successfully used A/B testing to improve their business. Bannersnack, an online ad design platform, tested making their call-to-action buttons larger and using higher contrast colors. The result was a 25% increase in signups. Green, a Polish e-commerce company, redesigned their mini shopping cart to make the call-to-action more prominent and show item totals clearly. This simple change doubled their purchase quantity. Zalora, an Asia-Pacific fashion retailer, optimized their product pages to highlight their free return policy and delivery information. This resulted in a 12.3% increase in their checkout rate. WorkZone, a project management tool, conducted an interesting test. They changed testimonial logos from color to black and white. Surprisingly, this simple change resulted in a 34% increase in form submissions. First Midwest Bank tested using human imagery on their pages and repositioning their forms. They saw an incredible 195% increase in conversions. Finally, Mall.cz, a Czech e-commerce platform, tested larger product images with interactive descriptions, which increased their sales by 9.46%. These examples show that A/B testing can produce dramatic improvements across various industries and business types. When choosing an A/B testing tool, here's how the major platforms compare. Optimizely has custom pricing tailored to enterprise needs and offers a WISIWYG editor, advanced targeting, and an AI text generator. It's best suited for large teams with substantial budgets. VWO testing starts at just $25 per month and includes heat maps, session recordings, and multivariate testing capabilities. It's ideal for small to medium-sized businesses and marketers. ObTasty costs $30,000 or more per year, but provides a visual editor, personalization features, and easy setup, best for established companies. LaunchDarkly uses custom pricing and specializes in feature flagging and server-side testing, making it perfect for development teams and engineers. GrowthBook is completely free since it's open source and includes feature flagging with easy integration, great for technically savvy teams. The choice depends on your budget, team size, technical capabilities, and specific feature needs. Start with a platform that offers a free trial to ensure it fits your workflow before committing. The A/B testing workflow follows a logical sequence. Step 1 is to define your goal. You need a clear objective and a specific metric to track, like click-through rate, conversion rate, or user engagement. Step 2 is to formulate your hypothesis. This is your evidence-based prediction about why a change will improve your metric. Step 3 is to design your test. Create your variant, build your test roadmap, and plan how you'll measure success. Step 4 is to run the test. Split your traffic between the two versions and collect data from real users over time. Step 5 is to analyze your results. Check whether the differences are statistically significant and whether they're meaningful for your business. Step 6 is to implement and iterate. Apply the winning changes to your live site, and then start the process again with new tests to continue improving. This systematic approach ensures your testing efforts are organized, measurable, and focused on continuous improvement. Let me share some important do's and don'ts to help you avoid common mistakes. Do test one variable at a time so you know exactly what caused any changes. Do run your tests for at least 1 to 2 weeks minimum. Do use statistical significance calculations to verify your results are real and not due to chance. Do document your goals and hypotheses before you start testing. Do monitor for external factors like seasonality or technical bugs that might affect your results. Do record what you learn from every test, whether it's a success or failure. Now for the don'ts. Don't stop your test early based on early results that look good. Don't test multiple variables simultaneously, as this confuses your results. Don't ignore sample size requirements. Use calculators to determine what you need. Don't use biased traffic sources that don't represent your real audience. Don't cherry-pick only the favorable results while ignoring other metrics. And don't make changes without sufficient data backing them up. By following these guidelines, you'll run A/B tests that provide reliable insights for your business decisions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.